Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am trying CapCut hack edit from TikTok. If you like this CapCut hack edit, you can try. So let's start the video. Video or photo. Then go Effect section and select Oblique Blur. Adjust on first clip. And adjust Effect Blur 100 and rotate 50. Copy this effect. And adjust on second clip. Adjust this Effect Blur 90. Again copy effect, and adjust blur 80. Again copy and adjust blur 70. Repeat this process, and decrease blur by 10. Now zoom out clip. And see final result. I like this CapCut hack edit. You can try this CapCut hack edit. Subscribe for more this type video. Thanks for watching.